What's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. I just got this 2014 Dodge Charger all-wheel drive with only 42,228 miles on it at the time of this recording, and it's all-wheel drive. It's in excellent condition. Sorry, just parked at the wrong angle with the sun in my face. But look at that. No holes in the dash. I still got to clean it up. I just rinsed it off real quick. Cushion back seat with all the proper seat belts. Damn, son. Anyways, it's got the auto stick. You can manually shift it up and down if you want to, or you can just leave it in drive regularly. As long as you got the transmitter in your pocket, you can lock the vehicle by touching the top of the handle, unlock it by touching the bottom of the handle. Tread on the tires is like 40% or so. This thing runs and drives perfect. It's only got 42,000 miles and it's all-wheel drive. They didn't offer the Pursuit package in all-wheel drive till 2014. So this is the first year they offered the Pursuit package in all-wheel drive. And it's the lowest mileage Dodge Charger I've ever gotten. 42,000 miles is nothing. It's got a 5.7L Hemi, 370 factory horsepower. Gets an average of 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Hauls ass. And I'm at 4,400 feet over here in Central Oregon, so all-wheel drive's the way to go. It's got a Rearview Camera System. This thing's sharp. So anyways, I'll beat anybody's deal on a comparable vehicle. Most amount of vehicle, least amount of money guaranteed. InterceptorKing.com for current inventory. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like us on Facebook. I'm gonna jump down the highway here real quick. Put my seatbelt on real quick. Spotlight works. There's the rear view camera. Pops up in the rear view mirror right there. Super clean. I mean, 42,000 miles on it. That thing ain't even broken in. With all-wheel drive. I turned the traction control off. That's why this little squiggly light thing is on, because I turned off the traction control. Because I don't like traction control. There it is. 5.7L Hemi. So anyways, I'm in Central Oregon over here, right off Highway 97. If you need financing, you can get financing through West Coast Auto Loans. If you're in Washington State, you can get financing through West Coast Auto Loans, or you can get it through United Financial over here in Central Oregon. So I'm really stoked about this. I mean, 42,228 miles, that's ridiculous low mileage. This place that I got it from, they just get rid of their cars every 3.5 years, no matter what the mileage is, because they get new ones in, because obviously they have a really amazing budget. There it is. Boom, 70 miles an hour. Like nothing. All-wheel drive. If you live in the Pacific Northwest where it's wet all the time, or in a place where you get some snow in the wintertime, like I do up here at 4,400 feet in Central Oregon, we can get over 80 inches of snow in the wintertime. All-wheel drive is what you need. Imagine on a wet, rainy day, being next to a Mustang GT and smoking it, because you got 4 tires grabbing. All-wheel drive is the way to go. If you live in Seattle area, Portland area, Western Washington, anywhere, all-wheel drive. So go to my website, InterceptorKing.com for current inventory. I mean, this is the scoop right here. It's got a Bluetooth. You just hook it up to your phone. I listen to Pandora on my phone. Got a tiny little touch screen right here. Auto stick. You leave it in drive. You press this button. It'll tell you what gear you're in. You You can I'll manually downshift. It says third gear, now it says second, first. And then you could just manually shift it, or it'll automatically shift it when it redlines. If you're getting on it and you use the manual or the auto stick, it'll shift it automatically when it redlines if you're getting on it. Or you can just leave it in regular drive mode, like I usually do, and drive it just in drive. So anyways, you guys have a great day, Interceptor King. Bye. Don't miss out on this. This thing's gonna be gone quick. Bye.